How to add Who Viewed My Profile widget to the profile page. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have shared with you how to create Buddypress Who Viewed My Profile widget and put it on Youzify pages. Now we are sharing with you how to add Who Viewed My Profile widget to the profile page. First, you need to install and activate the Youzify Pro version. You can purchase it on Code Canyon. Please click URL on the video description to go to the product page. Second, you need to install and activate Buddypress Who Viewed My Profile. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extension Settings, and Who Viewed My Profile Settings. Scroll down Visitors Box Settings. And you can set up the title, description, image, button title, button background, and text color. And then, go to Widget Settings, and then create a new custom widget. Add Who Viewed My Profile to the custom widget editor. You can copy the shortcode from this video description. After the widget created, navigate to Profile Settings, Profile Structure. You can put the widget as main widget or sidebar widget by drag and drop it. In this video I put it as sidebar widget. Let's see the results. Buddypress Who Viewed My Profile widget displays on profile page now. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.